Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to focus on one of the most popular load balancing techniques, the round robin algorithms. Round robin is a simple yet effective method for distributing requests among servers to ensure better performance and reliability. In this video, we will cover what the round robin algorithm is, how it works, its benefit, challenges, and what is most useful. So let's get started. First, let's start with what is the round robin load balancing. Round robin load balancing is a method where incoming client requests are distributed sequentially to each server in the pool, one at a time, and then the process repeats. It's like passing out cards in a game, each server gets its turn. Think of a round robin like a distributing tickets at a help desk. You go through each available representative in turn, making sure everyone gets an equal share of the workload. Okay, let's talk about how it works. So, in order to know how it works, let me just clear everything and give a clear example. So, let's say that we have client 1, client 2, and client 3, and we have the our load balancer that use the round robin algorithm, and we have server A, server B, and let's say we have server C. Okay, so in round robin, requests are distributed in a simple routing order. The first request go to server A, so let's say client 1 send request, it will go to server A, and the second request will go to server B. So client 2 send a request, it go to server B, and the third to server C. So client 3 send request, it go to server C, and then back to server A once all servers have received requests. So we repeat. So this algorithm is really simple, and it's provide an even distribution. Like, this algorithm ensures even distribution of incoming requests, which making it ideal for application where all servers have the similar capacity and workload capabilities. For example, let's say that you have three web servers, as you can see, each capable of handling a similar number of requests. The round robin ensure that each server gets an equal amount of traffic, preventing anyone or any one server from being overwhelmed. Okay, let's talk about the benefits of using the round robin load balancing. The first thing is simplicity. It's really simple actually. Simplicity is one of the key advantages of the round robin algorithm. It's easy to understand and implement, making it a go to choice for smaller environments or when you are just getting started with load balancing. The round robin is often used for simple web applications or internal tools that don't need complex load balancing logic. Its simplicity reduces the chances of configuration error. Number two, we have even workload distribution. By rotating through servers, round robin provides an even workload distribution across all servers, which can help prevent any individual server from being a bottleneck. Number three, cost effective. Since round robin is simple to set up, it's also cost effective. You don't need specialized hardware or software to get started, making it a partial solution for startups or small businesses. Okay, let's continue. Let's talk about the challenges that we face from the round robin balancing. The first thing, uneven load due to different server capacities. So one major challenge is in the round robin doesn't account for differences in server capacity. If your servers have different processing powers, some servers may end up being overwhelmed even though requests are evenly distributed. For example, if a server A has twice capacity of server B, Round robin will still send the same number of requests to each server, which can lead to performance issue on the weaker server. The second thing is no awareness of server load. The round robin algorithm has no concept of current server load. It distributes requests regardless of how busy each server is, which can lead to one server being overwhelmed if it's slower to process requests. Imagine a server is handling a complex request that takes longer to process. In the meantime, it continues to receive more requests, eventually becoming a bottleneck while other servers are underutilized. Okay, let's talk about some variations of the round robin to fix those challenges. And the first thing will be the weighted round robin. Weighted round robin is a variation of the standard round robin algorithm. It assigns a weight to each server based on its capacity. Servers with higher capacity receives more requests, ensuring a more balanced workload. For example, if a server is twice as powerful as server B, you could assign a weight of 2 to server A and 1 to server B, for example. This way, server A receives twice as many requests, effectively balancing the load according to the server capabilities. The second thing, there is dynamic round robin. A dynamic round robin adjusts the order of distribution based on the current load on each server. This variation requires monitoring the servers to determine which one is the best suited to handle the next request. In the real time gaming, in real time gaming, dynamic round robin can help by ensuring that servers with lower current loads receive more requests, optimizing performance during peak times. Okay, so let's talk about when to use round robin load balancing. Um, Load balancing, round robin is ideal for environments where all servers have similar capacity and can handle the same type of workload. Second, application that requires simple, cost-effective load balancing. Third, development and testing environments where the goal is to distribute traffic evenly without worrying about load metrics. So, in conclusion, round robin load balancing is a simple and effective way to distribute traffic evenly across servers. While it works great in scenarios where servers have equal capacity and workloads, it's important to consider its limitation and use weighted round robin or other algorithms when dealing with servers of different capacities. Understanding the basics of load balancing can help you design more reliable and scalable systems. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss any content on the system design and scalability strategies. And as always, drop your questions or experiences with load balancing in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.